Hello everyone, I want to show you something really cool. This is probably the best balisong trainer that you can get on Amazon for super cheap. This is probably the best cheap and cheapest. Well, not like the best thing in the world, no. The best ones are probably like around $100 when you can get them in the store in like America for about 25. This is a comb balisong trainer. Uh, it comes with a latch, so you don't need to worry about you just holding it and you accidentally let it go and it flips open. I don't know why I mentioned the hatch. Anyways, uh, the reason why this is the best is because you can. This is actually made out of steel. It feels really nice in hand, and yeah, it just and it's a comb. So I've never seen how well it worked. Ooh, I like that. Oh, I think it took a hair out. That kind of hurt. People don't suggest using it as a comb, but I just don't care. It still needs a bit of use into it. I got it today. Um, yeah, here's what it looks like closed because you already seen. Look at these. These are like, these are, these are also really good because you can like do that to get a fresh start, to get like a little head start, and on your opens, yeah. Uh, there are people who literally collect these, and yes, that is a Gorilla's calendar. I was really lucky to get it. That's the last one on sale. I just got it. Okay, enough mentioning crap in my room. I only done that once though, right then. Anyways, oh, that was bad. It still needs a bit of use out of it to like loosen up the hinges. This one is really good. This one is okay. Around here is where it gets a little tough, but yeah, it just needs a bit more use. Oh, yeah, around sometimes when I do tricks, like it kind of just freezes because of these. That's not really. This is not a very common problem, but here's something that you will hate if you get a balisong with a latch, which everyone has. Well, not like everybody has a balisong. No, every single balisong has this hatch. Um, Sometimes when you're closing it, since it's like waving down, and this has a little bit of weight, not too much weight, since it's like coming down, it'll sometimes be like that at the last second, and it'll get caught, and it won't go down all the way. It just sucks. Oh crap. Anyways, yeah, this is really, uh, it's, this one here is probably around, $6 to $10, I would say. That's the cheapest one I was able to find. Yeah, this here is it feels really nice in my hand. Probably not the best for you guys, but, eh. Oh. Anyways, yeah. I'm just gonna show you a few tricks you can do. Slick Rick opening. Easy. It's one of the easier. I only know like 2 tricks. And sometimes here, and you can like freestyle it, kind of like that. And then here's the sidekick, which is my favorite trick, cause it looks really cool and it's super easy. I'll teach you how to do it right now. I have like 20 more minutes to record. You flip up, flip back down. So yeah, you flip up, flip back down, but let the blade hit your knuckle. Then when you flip up, you turn over, it'll land like that. Then flip down, boom, easy. Here's like it. If you put it in slow mo. When I first saw it, I just saw. I was like, wow, how? And your knuckles might hurt if you're a beginner. You'll get over that soon. Just and here it feels really smooth. It's not sharp at all, though. If you want to hurt somebody with a comb, put it up to their nose and then. I do not suggest this. And also, this is not a real knife, YouTube. Don't take this down. I just realized when I reviewed my other comb knife, it was actually taken down for like a day or an hour, maybe. Since I was a small channel, they went easy on me and just it wasn't like copyrighted or anything. It was because of violence, and I'm like, what? I literally made an entire apology video saying it's just a comb and Dr. Disrespect. I do not suggest disrespect to anybody because it's just it was a streamer for Fortnite. He had one, and I just thought it was super cool because I literally got that switchblade comb at an arcade. It was like 300 tickets, and I got it. Anyways, yeah. This flips, and then... Yeah, it's actually quite loose. When you first get this, don't expect it to work like this right out of the box. No. Here's what it really is for. It's like mostly... It'll be really tight when you get it out, and it might like be like that. But after a little bit, maybe around an hour or two of use, it'll start to really loose up, and yeah. Oh, and also, my last video with the popsicle stick one, it got 4 dislikes and 1 like. That's it. I'm surprised it got more dislikes than likes. Maybe you guys are thinking I'm trying to show off. I am not trying to show off. I do need more practice because I literally... I just started getting interested in these. I realized you could do tricks on these. So I was like, I like tricks. I want one. So I begged my parents for like a month to get me one. Just my dad. I was like, it wasn't like, please, every 5 seconds. No, it was like just every now and then. I have a butterfly comb. That's really it. I don't know why I'm mentioning my dad now. I keep mentioning stuff I don't want to mention. I'm like those teachers who like bring up random stories like, alright, so we are going to divide the perimeter of Y to X. That sounds like some sort of thing in Minecraft, and I don't even know what I just said. But around 5 minutes later, and my daughter got a 98, and I was like, why are you crying over a 98? It's a good score. I would have let you pass. And then, yeah. I would say if you want a really good butterfly knife trainer, make sure you search up balisong comb, because these have like screws here to put a line to stop the hatch after it closes. I don't really know why. These are just so cool. I suggest getting the comb because it's just probably the best idea because you want the handles to actually be heavy and the blade to be lightweight. So as the one handle is going by, the blade is dragged by it. And this has so many holes in it for being a comb. It has so many slits in it. It's perfect. I would say if you want to do some fast-paced tricks without the risk of cutting your hand with the actual knife, I suggest getting this one because it is. I would just say it's the best option. And I'm not trying to show off. I'm just trying to have some fun. I'm not showing off. Don't worry. Don't bother about me showing off. I still need practice. Here's what it looks like up. The blades don't like crash into each other when it's down or up, which makes it a pretty good quality. It's made out of steel, and I just think this is a nice design. Oh, and also, you do want this type of handle. It doesn't need to be like 20 pounds. It doesn't need it to be like very heavy. No, it needs to still be light enough for someone to carry. So, and I could barely lift like 25 pounds. So, yeah, you want ones with the handles and the bladed holes in it, cause, like, it doesn't really matter what the handles look like. Just if you want a trainer blade, I suggest getting the combs because of so many slits. It kind of like makes it more kind of aerodynamic, and I don't know what aerodynamics has to do with being able to flip faster. I'd say it's great for pros as well, not just beginners. I think it's great for everybody. So if you're a pro and you don't want to cut your hand, I suggest getting these. They're on Amazon around $6-10, maybe $15 or $20. $20 is probably the highest price I've seen. But I've seen a real balisong in there with like a real trainer. It was like the one with a fake. What wasn't it? Or it wasn't a trainer. Maybe it was a real blade. I think it was a real blade, and it was around $60 to $100. Wait, no, it wasn't. You can get real balisongs for like $15 out of the store in America, because I think these are actually prohibited where I live. Wait, I remember Googling up the knife code to see if karambits were illegal. It did say if used to hurt, karambits were prohibited. It said it was legal to carry any form of knife, unless if it was used to hurt. So yeah, I don't suggest going out here going like, hey, check out my new balisong. No, go get a trainer and just be like, you like this comb? It's a balisong. Oh, and also, pretty much balisong is the preferred term of butterfly knife. So yeah. Oh, so if the comb looks like this, and if the comb is flipped this way, towards the handle with the latch attached to it, you will want to hold this one. Because, let's say you're doing the side kick. The comb, which would be this is the safe handle. I've been recording for 15 minutes. Wow, I better stop. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. And, yeah, bye.